Hey everyone, it's Yoslyn and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing another bleach jean video. You guys really liked my other one. I think it got like 12,000 views, which is crazy. But for this one, it's not going to be the half bleached. It's going to be flames at the bottom of these jeans, and they're going to be white flames. And these are the jeans I'm going to be using. They're American Eagle jeans, and I really hope I don't mess up because I love these jeans so much, but they are 3 sizes too small, so that's why I'm using these ones. And hopefully this goes how I have it in my head and they come out good. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm gonna have to film this outside just because I don't want to get bleach on my floor. So that's why for the rest of these clips, we're gonna be outside. Okay, so I'm outside now and here are my jeans. I just laid them out. And the bleach that I'm gonna be using is not liquid bleach like I did last time. This time it's this bleach. I don't really know what's it called, but it's for toilet bowl cleaning. And I'm gonna use this one just because it's a lot more precise than the other one was. So hopefully this works better. Sorry if there's background noises too, so I'm just gonna start off really small. Oh my gosh, it's dripping. So I'm just gonna spread it out, that way it doesn't spread on its own. And I'm just gonna draw flames, so I'll get back to you when I have the first flame drawn. Okay, so this is what I have. Oh, my hand's so shaky. This is what I have. It literally looks like a triangle. I have no idea why I did that. It was supposed to be 2 flames and it turned into 1. Yeah, that's disappointing, and I'm going to try to fix it. So I'm gonna do more flames over here and hopefully fix this one because that's what I have now and I like it. It looks decent and hopefully it looks good when it dries. I didn't want to go too far up just because I'm like really scared that I might mess up, and yeah, I don't know what's going on there. But this is what they look like. I tried fixing the triangle one and I made it longer, and then I made them all different sizes. So hopefully this turns out good, and now I'm gonna work on the other side. Okay, so here's how it looks. I'm disappointed in this side, to say the least. Looks like chicken fingers. Oh my gosh. And then this side's my favorite. It's so cute. But I can't fix that side. Like, I've literally tried everything I can do and it's impossible. Okay, so I'm editing the video and I'm like looking back at the clip, and I don't know why I was being so rude to the other side of my jeans. I literally said they look like chicken fingers. Okay, it did look bad at the moment, but in the end, I like how they looked, so that's all that matters. To fix that. Here are the jeans. Also, it looks green, but it's not going to be green. It's going to bleach to a white. Leave these out here for 7 to 10 minutes, and then I'm going to come back, and then I'm going to wash them. And I know you guys are probably wondering, are we going to do the other side? And the other side's already bleaching. So I'm not really gonna do anything to the other side, but that's how they look. I brought the jeans inside and now I'm gonna rinse them off. And also the back got bleached, so I'm gonna rinse these off really fast because I don't want the bleach going on the jean part. So I'm gonna wash this out and I'll do it. Now they're looking like this and I just have to wait for them to dry. So here's how they look. I really like them and they came out better than I thought. I'm wearing my Crocs with them because I don't want to put on actual shoes. So yeah, here's the front, and then it has the same thing on the back. So overall, I think this is a really fun idea. I would definitely do it again, and I really like the results. It looks different. Like, I don't know how to explain it. I don't have any pants that look like this, so I really like them. And if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!